this is why you wear boots on a job site.
Look at that.
Hey everyone, it's Jordan and Barry, and we are here at our newest project in Park Slope, Brooklyn. We're only a half block from the parks. This is a gorgeous location, landmark block, beautiful building, and it's a really interesting one. We call this one Once Upon a Reno. And you might be asking why that name, and there's a very good reason for it. This was home to a 19th century female writer who was very popular and wrote some very risque and very modern romance novels for her time. Her name was Laura Jean Libbey. So this house has quite the literary history, and that's why we call it Once Upon a Reno.
Our clients are incredible. Jamie and Vanessa and their two sons have such great design inspiration, and we're really excited about tackling this very special project because it's everything that Barry and I so strongly believe in. There is a lot of restoration, there is a lot of original details, and we're adding some really ultra modern details inside this stunning 5-story brownstone. This is me and Barry's first time working on a 5-story brownstone. This place is overwhelming with original details, wood on wood on wood. Just think about that. Let's head inside and show you around. All right, come on inside.
So welcome inside. We are here on the parlor floor, and the first thing that you might see when you look behind us is all of this beautiful original woodwork. It is gorgeous in this house, and you know that's what we really love to do, is restore those beautiful details. We have a lot of work to do here, but we're also modernizing this place, making it fit for the 2020s, making it fit for a family to move in here and live a modern lifestyle. So one of the first things we're gonna do is put a brand new kitchen right here where we're standing, and we're incorporating this beautiful built-in directly into it, so we can't wait to show you those plans. And one of the biggest features in this entire project is what we're doing right next door to this room. There is a small extension, and we're creating a double height den space. So gonna be beautiful, huge 2-story windows that's gonna look out to the backyard.
We really are designing this home for a family, and as we did our initial walkthrough with them, we really listened to everything with their hopes and dreams in this stunning property. And although Barry and I are very attracted to all of this original detail, it is overwhelming with how much wood is inside this house and why we do not want to get rid of it, and we are restoring everything we possibly can. We are carefully and cautiously going to modernize as many of these original details as possible. They want this house to be inviting, for it to be warm, for their family to hang out with, have many special memories. And because of that, we really are going to play into the living spaces and how this family at night can really hang out in the beautiful spaces. All right, come upstairs and let's show you around. All right, demo has kicked off. Here we are on the 2nd floor. This is gonna be the primary suite. So think oversized, huge bedroom, huge closet space, leading into a gorgeous primary bathroom with a soaking tub. And off on this little corner that I'm pointing to is gonna be a library den space that I'm really looking forward to. So we're on the 3rd floor now, and this is going to be the boys' room. We're gonna make this a huge room that they both can share. They're very close, we love that, and this room is gonna be ultra cool, along with their bathroom. And this is the boys' floor. Sorry, Mom and Dad, can't come up here. And then on the top floor here,
Oh my goodness.
it is
Wow,
all,
demo goes fast.
it is all gone.
This is wild. We were here 2 days ago, and this had walls, and now the walls are all going. But what we're doing up here is probably one of the things we're most excited about. It's also the thing that's probably the most ambitious, because this is kind of like an attic space almost. It is an extra floor of the house. It's the 5th floor on this brownstone. And what we're doing up here is creating what is gonna feel like an atrium space. So a lot of glass walls, a huge skylight in the middle with kind of like an outdoor tile underneath it, right in the center. So it's gonna be gorgeous, and it's gonna be a very different type of design.
I'm so excited for this. Both Jamie and Vanessa are from South America, and something that I love about South American design is this incorporation of outdoor and indoor lifestyle. And I think we're gonna really play into that here on this top floor at Once Upon a Reno.
Ooh, I am out of breath from these stairs.
All right, so as you guys can see, our work is really cut out for us. We have got to get back to work, but hopefully some of this overview was helpful. We really want to know what you guys want to hear about during this 9-month to a year and maybe a couple of months restoration renovation project. So drop us in the comments after you watch this vlog video. Let us know. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for all the updates here at Once Upon a Reno. We'll see you on the next one.